If you're watching this video, you've probably seen those viral trading titles. How I made $1 million in 51 days of day trading, or how I'd retire from the 9 to 5 in 3 years starting from zero. And you're here because you want the same thing, freedom. But what those videos don't tell you is this. Most people don't fail because trading doesn't work. They fail because they start the wrong way. In this video, I'm going to show you how trading actually works for beginners, the real types of traders that exist, how much money you really need to start, and the path that gives you the highest chance of success without blowing up your account. Trading isn't one thing, it's not one strategy, and it's not one lifestyle. There are different types of traders, and each one requires different amounts of time, stress tolerance, and starting money. Most beginners skip this step. They try to day trade, swing trade, and scalp all at once, and end up confused and emotional. The first trader type is the scalper. Scalpers take extremely fast trades, seconds to minutes, looking for small price moves again and again. This style requires full focus and fast decisions. Realistically, scalpers need between $5,000 and $10,000 to start safely. While scalping can make money fast, it can also lose money faster than any other style. This is not beginner-friendly. Next is the day trader. Day traders open and close trades within the same day. Nothing is held overnight. This style requires structure, routines, and screen time during market hours. A realistic starting range is $3,000 to $10,000 or more. Day trading can make money faster, but the failure rate for beginners is very high. Now let's talk about the style most beginners should start with, swing trading. Swing traders hold trades for days or weeks, not minutes. This style fits real life. You don't need to watch charts all day. Swing trading can start with $500 to $2,000. That's why swing trading is often the smartest path for beginners. Next is the position trader. Position traders hold trades for weeks or months. They ignore daily noise and focus on the big picture. This style requires patience and very little screen time. Position trading can start with around $1,000. Some traders focus less on time and more on how markets behave. Trend traders ride strong moves and let winners run. Range traders trade markets that bounce between highs and lows. Both approaches work best with swing or position trading styles. Now let's answer the big question. The fastest way to make money trading is not the fastest trading style. The fastest path is staying in the game, building skill, and increasing size slowly. Speed without skill is expensive. The smartest path for beginners is simple. Start as a swing trader. Learn risk management. Build consistency. Increase size slowly. This is how traders escape the 9-to-5 sustainably. Trading isn't about excitement. It's about alignment. Start where your life is, not where social media tells you to be. Comment below which trader type fits you right now, and subscribe for the next video.